Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to schedule a Zoom meeting. Firstly, open the Zoom app on your mobile device. After signing in, you will be directed to your Zoom dashboard. This is where you can manage your meetings and settings. Here, tap on the Schedule button given on the top. Complete the required information for your meeting, including, firstly, enter a descriptive name for your meeting. Add any additional details about the meeting. Set the date and time for your meeting. Also, specify the expected duration of the meeting. Ensure that the correct time zone is selected. Explore additional meeting options, such as choose whether to generate automatically or use a personal meeting ID. Set a passcode for added security. Decide whether participants should be placed in a waiting room before entering the meeting. Configure video and audio settings, such as whether participants should join with video or audio automatically. If you use a calendar application like Google Calendar or Outlook, you can integrate Zoom with your calendar. This helps in sending invites and managing your schedule. Once you're done, tap on the Save, Confirm, and schedule your meeting. After scheduling the meeting, you'll be provided with options to invite participants. You can send invites via email or copy the meeting link to share. At the scheduled time, you and your participants can join the meeting using the provided link or by entering the meeting ID. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.